Vijay Singh, my good friend, who is my junior colleague, that I was replaced by Honorable Madam Sonia Gandhi for fighting corrupt and corruption. You are being replaced for disgracing the Congress party. That is a between you and me. Sharla Kumar, he has his own colorful history in Goa. Every congressman knows about it.
What is that?
No, I wouldn't define.
So
Ask any congressman.
So what about Rahul?
I'm only told that daytime he wears lungi, nighttime he wears jeans.
To go where?
Wherever he wants to go. So there are so many discos and casinos in Goa. I don't want to comment on internal party matter, but it is high time that Sonia Gandhi called the AICC meeting. For last 3 years, there is no AICC meeting called. Since Congress party was defeated. If she wants to give leadership to Rahul Gandhi, she should do it very fast because she is sick. No, Congress should not be sick. Congress can bounce back if there are workers like me. We come together, Congress will come back because people want Congress. And Goa election is an indicator. If Sonia Gandhi is sick, then she should not make Congress sick.
No, but
and she should not help Modi to make Congress move Bharat.
As far as Sharla Kumar?
I am not saying good or bad choice. I am saying he's too junior. And he doesn't know much of Goan politics. When I was the president, I never utilized his services. I told him to take rest in Tamil Nadu. मैंने तो बताया
अच्छा चेंज होना चाहिए राहुल गांधी.
मैंने तो बताया जो मेरा जैसे जो लीडर है पार्टी रिवाइव करने के पूरा देश में आगे लेना है. I was given responsibility when the party was almost finished in Goa. There was no government. Party was defeated. I revived it. You know it. Like that, Congress can be revived throughout the country. There are workers like me who devoted their life for the Congress. That is to be done. And everybody knows, every congressman knows, since Congress was defeated in 2014, no AIC session has been convened. AIC session should be convened to discuss the issues. You cannot just shove the issue under the carpet. That will not help Congress. It will help Modi to make Congress move Bharat. We should stop that.